box full of comic books, and I didn't realize, actually I did realize, but I didn't think how heavy they were.
Yeah.
They were very heavy.
Yeah, they were.
I had to push it. And yeah. So, comic books. Our next act, I'm more of a DC fan, and Harley Quinn is one of my favorites. That was delayed, and I am so disappointed in each and every one of you. Okay, Harley Quinn is one of my favorites.
Because they were expecting to say Dr. Harlan Quizell.
Oh, that's true. Okay, so Dr. Harleen Quizell with her partner, Pamela Isley. Oh my God, I'm so gay. So, our next performer also loves Harley, but is not Pamela Isley.
But better.
But better. Yeah. God. And this next performer will also be performing in Celestial Cabaret on the 20th of this month. So, don't forget to support other shows. All right, so give it up for our next performer, Mimi Hurricane.
Too much murder.
Give it up for Mimi Hurricane! Yes, too much murder. It was one person too much that was murdered.